Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F14 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings and then scroll down to find General Management. Now let's tap on Language, and as you can see here we've got the list of currently applied languages. So let's tap on Add a Language to find new one. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the list of the languages which are suggested by Samsung. No worries if you cannot find the language you'd like to set in this list. Just tap on the three dots icon and tap on All Languages. And as you can see, right now this list is much wider. So let's find the language and tap on it, and I'll pick maybe, I don't know, maybe Spanish. Just tap on it. Sometimes you will be able to pick the region, so again, tap on it. Your device will actually ask you if you want to set the new language as a default. So let's tap on it. And as you can see, it will immediately appear at the very top of this list. It will be marked, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got like 2 or 3 different languages added right here, you can change the language also without entering this section. Just tap on it and tap on Apply. And wait a second, of course. And as you can see, right now we've got the English at the top, and it is currently set. If you want to remove the languages from this list, just tap on Edit, mark it, and tap on Remove. Tap on Remove again, and here we've got only English left. So basically, that's all. This is how to change system language in your Samsung Galaxy F14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.